What's up, traders? This is Jay at jtradinglive.com. It is Monday, March 18th, 2013. A couple stocks we got into today. The first one is Targa Resources, symbol NGLS. And what we liked about this, even though you've heard me in my other videos talk about the indicators that can cross down here, we didn't have any of these crossing today. But what I did like was this trendline support and the 20 EMA support we had coming under here. Let's just zoom in a little bit. And you can see we started the trend line here. We got a nice bounce here where we held the trend line. We touched it here, we touched it here, touched it. Fell through a little bit to the 20, but bounced back up. And again, opened the next day and really got a nice bounce off of the trend line there. So you can see we've had this nice organized pullback, and we've touched the 20 again. Well, we've touched the 20 and the trend line here. So we've held the 20, we've held the trend line. You've got a nice little risk reward area where you can use a close below this trend line as your stop out. So at this point, you're really only risking about 15 cents to fall out of this trend line and close beneath it, versus a resistance area up here at $44. So a nice little $1.50 gain moving up versus a little 15-cent loss moving down. Also, if we get a nice move tomorrow, our indicators could cross here. So typically I'd wait for the indicators to cross, but this looks to be like a really nice setup with a low risk reward. That's NGLS, Nancy, Gary, Larry, Sally, NGLS. The other trade we got into was Caterpillar, and on Caterpillar we had a very nice V cross through about 3 o'clock, and you can see we've pulled back some. The market's moved down since then, and we're still just touching it. I would much rather prefer to see the blue line clearly through and across the orange line, but within the past year, every V cross through we've gotten on Caterpillar has resulted in a really nice trade. So this V cross through also coinciding with our stochastics turning over nicely. Nice little organized pullback here from Caterpillar. We've got a trend line in beneath us. You can start to use certain things as your stop out. You've got an area here at 89.04 that's shown recent support, or at least the recent low from this first pullback, as a little stop out area. Or you could use an area down here, and at worst case scenario you've got your trend line as a stop out area. I don't think I'm going to let it fall this far if it falls that direction, but a nice solid V cross through. Even if it pulls back today, we could get it tomorrow. I'm just going to be really wary of this one. I'm not going to turn my back on it. I'm going to watch it in the morning, see how it opens, and make a decision from there about it. We've got a little resistance up here at our 2200 EMA area, about a $2.70 gain from where we are right now. So all in all, just liked the technical setup earlier, but that's why you want to wait until later in the day to make sure that your indicators are still intact. So those are the two trades we're looking at today: Caterpillar, symbol CAT, and Targa Resources, symbol NGLS. You guys come by jtradinglive.com. We broadcast the stock market live during the day. We're breaking down charts and giving out tons of trader education and free stock picks. Sign up for the real-time email trade alerts, and look forward to seeing you guys at the site. Trade smart.